Hello. Let's see what we've got today. Alan, how's your session?
Currently sitting in cable, going sideways.
Yep.
But I got in nice and low, so I'm just sitting in profit at the moment, just waiting to see what might develop. But to trade up to the daily wick fill would be nice, but there is a 4-hour candle there. I don't like to look up too much. But if it goes long to retest that 4-hour LQ candle, I could get out of the open there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Needs to break out of this range.
Yeah, well, it would have been nice to catch, because I was watching that and doing stuff with that. Could have caught that phase of gold long out of the Asia session, which would have been nice. But yeah, it's hard to watch two at once.
Yeah, very hard. Seems a bit slow on my computer. Why is this? When it's slow, like it feels sluggish. When it's like this, it means generally the stream sort of freezes as well. I have to restart it, but we'll see.
Hey Hayden.
Hey Eddie, how are you, mate?
Good mate. In a short on gold.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna flick over to that in a tick.
Got my my second phase logins just before.
Oh, beautiful. So, was that 8 days? Then you'd passed. What?
Yeah, 10 minimum days.
10 minimum. Sorry.
10 minute. Yeah.
What were you on last
today,
week? Was it 6 last week? Were you on up to? Must have been.
Well, maybe. Well, today's 10. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you had another couple of days. Cool. That's awesome. So this is first day of phase 2.
Yeah, I haven't put a trade on that one yet. I'm still on the other one.
Yeah, cool. On the 100k.
Yeah.
How's that one looking? You would have got it yesterday if we held those cells.
Oh mate, I would have got it yesterday if I had buys. I bought from that bottom.
From down here.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
But I got out. Way. You know what I mean? Like it did a monster run. I didn't expect that.
I got in for buys in here. I'll go to the lower time frame. So let me just put my sessions off. Let's go to it. On the 1 minute structure, actually. So what I was looking at was, where's my pen? Because I was pretty busy until around 12 my time. So that's 1 hour before US Open. And then we had the news. We had 120 COMEX Open, and then we had 130 news. So I was pretty keen just to wait till all that sort of washed out, given that I missed the moves from earlier. So then as price, so New York Open was this specific candle here. Then it pushed up in the New York session, breaking above this area over here. It made a high with this wick, and then it was as soon as I saw that, I was thinking depending on how the news comes out, if it's going to be bad numbers, then we're going to see more upside feeding into pivot prayer. So once happy to see that for COMEX open, and then when the news came out, which was this specific candle here, I actually did jump into a sell from the top because I really liked this 1924 area because of I'll show you over to the left.
Well, I took that sell there, but I did think we could fill the wick, but I was aggressive and I took the sell.
But you took the sell on this one on the news.
Yeah. Like I got in here somewhere.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So like I got in profit here, nice profit, but then it bounced back up, and I thought I'll see if I'll give it space, and it tapped me out and then banged down.
Yeah.
And I went to bed.
Yeah, I took a sell from in here, and then I took a buy from. I'll go to the 1 minute time frame from here, and then I jumped into a sell here, and then I didn't hold it though. I thought it was just a little bit silly, so I'll give it my reasons why. If we go to like the 30-minute time frame, this was that zone. I'll see if I can get both chart. Yeah, there we go. Because we had like this gap in price. So my whole idea, and I was talking about this, that what I was thinking of last week was that Monday made a low, Asian low, Tuesday made a low, an Asian low, so that was the Asian low, that was the Asian low on Tuesday. Wednesday made an Asian low, and then what New York did was took out 2 Asian lows. And then we pushed up for the rest of the week on the back of like the fundamentals, the news. So this week is just the way I was setting up was the opposite. Monday made a high over here. Tuesday made a high for Asian. Wednesday had made a high, and then for New York, or it happened earlier, it happened on London session on the back of the Japan news, but I was expecting this to happen. And then once we started breaking above that, I was thinking, well, I need to be a little bit more careful here because I was sort of expecting it just to push down. And now because we're getting close to the numbers, I'll wait to see what the news does. Once the news came out and it sort of fed into my bias bullish, I thought this clean candle could be easily filled. And indeed it did. So when I was looking to jump in for sells, because it was tapping really close to this 1924 area, I was like, it was I sort of stopped thinking calmly at that stage. Not, I was calm, but what I thought was I entered impulsively, and I tried to enter right on the tip around 1924 because that was sort of my target, 10 pips below the key level. And then, hey, what happened to? Wait, I knew I deleted something. My key level's gone. I thought I pushed delete on something, and then I was like, wait, it didn't delete, and then I realized I must have deleted that thing. So
okay, gold broke that wick on the 15 minutes. It's coming up to the 50 EMA, but
yeah, okay. Come on, get in there. So there we go. Lock that. All right. So I entered here, and then because it was right in that news, let me just bring that up. So when it was, you can see like 13. This is the 1330 candle. So this is the news candle, and then as it pushed up, and then as it was breaking this high, that was where I entered into a sell, but my terminal froze, and it just didn't do anything for about 15 seconds, and they actually put my trade in around here. So I hate.
Is this your MT4, MT5?
Yeah.
Account.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I hate when that happens.
Mine didn't.
Yours didn't freeze?
No,
Mine
didn't freeze because I got in easy.
Yeah, mine's been freezing a little bit when that news is happening. It's just slow to respond. And it makes me think like because I'm using like a keypad to enter my trades on, sometimes, you know, when I hit it and I'm like, did I hit that button? Or did I like do a half hit? So then I'm not too sure if I should hit that button again. And I have done it before where I've hit that button again. And
you get multiple trades, yeah.
Or 2 or 3. So
Yeah.
I just left it, and then the trade finally got filled in here. I guess it's because the spreads were going wild at that time. But then I held it in here, held through the little drawdown, and I was just thinking, wait a second, this sort of news is going against what I was thinking overall. And then as it started pushing down, as it stalled, and I got this 1 minute bullish candle, I thought, I think there's going to be a much better long here. So what I did was like, I can't be selling and then buy against my sell. I'm just blind to that move. I'm blind to the buys when I'm selling. So I closed out that sell for a small profit. Should have been much more. Should have been like nearly 40 pips, but it was pretty much by the time I got out, I got not slipped, but it was just stalled again. It was just not being very good then. So ended up for like just under 20 pips, I think, profit. And then I sort of saw it go down. I'm like, oh, I kind of made a mistake here. I should have held. But then when we saw this, I really like the price action. That this is sort of your range. So I'll go to the 5 minute, and this is the range on the 5 minute. More or less something like this. Let's do range box. And then if this was our range, I was thinking, well, if I can get a fake out from underneath the thing and then pushing and breaking the back into this area, I think we've got wick fill on. So on the 1 minute, this was my fake out here. So I entered for a buy on the break of that high, and then targeted just under 25. So that was the move. So entered here, held through all this, took a little bit of profit at this point, this area here, just in case, and then it was all good in the hood. So then up around here, I waited till after NYSE. It was after NYSE, which is NYSE is, so the stock exchange open, I think it was that candle. Yeah, that candle. And then saw all these rejections of the high. Tried to give a break of the high a little go. It was around here, yeah. Try to get a break of the high for 20 pips, because often the break of the high can lead to 20 pips. Bullish. And I was sort of thinking back in the back of my mind, this news. But we started getting more rejection. So I closed this one at only like basically break even, 1 or 2 pips up. I don't even think I might have just covered the commission for the trade, so basically break even. But then entered into a sell here on the break of the support, this candle here. So formed resistance under the key level, formed a little support. This candle broke that support, clean candle to the left, and then thinking I'm just going to hold this one now for a bit of a sell-off. But I must have gotten a little bit early here, and it kind of whipped me out because I didn't get that move. It was just after I closed out. So I might have entered on this one actually, and this candle took me out. And I got out at break even. I never actually took my stop loss. I think I was just thinking that this is kind of dangerous now, because now I was sitting good with this trade for the day. So I didn't want to like over trade, work on that discipline. But then the rest is history. It just dumped. So like you said, painful to watch, but at the end of the day, I don't care.
Yeah, there's always another trade.
Yeah. So now now I'm thinking potentially longs. Potentially. I quite like how it's done this little candle here. I want to see like a little support form, and then if we can start to push in to here, we can retest these highs. But we'll see. I need to watch this for a little bit first. I need to put in my areas. So the daily closed nice and bearish though, but the 4 hour did tap into this zone, and now we're starting to form like a little bit of a squeeze. So our closest resistance is up over here near the 1922, and now we've formed a support at 1902. So I've got a bit of a 200 pip range, and this candle here specifically as well is a range candle, and now we've got also holding a support above 2 monthly levels. So this area we could see a little bit more upside before downside. Either way, I'll be ready. So this candle here closing, this is the London candle from 6 till 10 my time. And what information is that telling me? It's telling me London wasn't really sure. So we might need to see a wait for volume to come before we can break out of this range. We may just see a little bit of consolidation until pre-NY, till we get that next batch of volume coming in. Easy moves today. Well, one, I didn't really see this one as an easy one, but I think this one was fairly stock standard trade. We pushed up into this area over here to the left. That makes a lot of sense. On the lower time frames, we see a run up, clean candles, and then we just see that filled. So if we had that and then push up and we start seeing resistance and rejection, then at least we can see correction that way. And that was the distance between those areas, 46 pips. Yeah, definitely easy to get. If you got a 46 to 50 pip range like that, you can very, very easily get 20 to 25 pips at least.
1914.05 was my first entry.
1940 on the way up or the way down?
On the way down.
Yeah, okay. Did anyone else enter over here in this zone?
No.
I'm still waiting for that upside area,
Okay. Yeah.
this area.
Oh, Rule
So
did.
it may-
Awesome. Are you holding still, Rule? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
congrats. Very good, mate. Should we scout now?
15-minute candle.
I
Rejection big easy target.
would, if it was me. I could see it
If it was
dropping
me.
a lot more. What would you do, Eddie?
I'm holding still. It's head and shoulders. You know what I mean? I'm still holding. I scalped it another 6 times there.
You got 1% already. It also depends on how you're doing for the month. If you're in profit for the month, I remember you saying last weekend that the news messed you up a little bit. So if you're creeping back into profitability for the month, then I think lock it in. Yeah. If you were playing with profits, then you can let it go for longer. But I know that you've got targets in mind for the prop account. So if you're pulling it back, then this trade in my eyes is complete. That was the main move I was looking for, to retest that low. And I would if it goes like another 50 pips lower, then I wouldn't like that's just what happens. But if this was your planned trade, or you're trying to get that, just this is a good confidence builder trade. And this is a very dangerous area now.
You could always move your stop loss down closer.
Yeah, but you probably just give it back then if you move your stop loss. Kind of like what I did as well. But you can do a combination of that, scale out, move stop loss a little bit down. But as soon as you move that stop loss, you're increasing your probability of getting stopped out.
Or don't have one. I've got no stop loss.
Oh, it's risky, man. You need to have a mental, at least a mental stop loss, and the fortitude to be able to say, I'm going to follow that, even if I don't have a stop loss, just because that those crazy wicks can just take you out. But it could be all well and good, like trading without a stop loss, but eventually it's going to you will get burnt.
Well, you can't trade. You can't trade without a stop loss on smart charts anyway. So
Yeah. I just like, if you're playing with own capital, you'll still get burned. At some stage there will be a burn. Where if you're, and it's not like you can just close a trade if it's not too small. But if that trade very quickly gets very big on as a losing position, sometimes what our heads say is that it's too big to accept, so we don't. And then if it's a pair like gold or one of these really volatile pairs, that situation just gets worse and worse and worse. And then you'll find very quickly, I've got no choice but to close or get margin called. And then that's the danger without stop loss. If you're trading small, like saying, you're not really risking much percentage at all, like fractions of a percent, and you know that this trade could go 200 pips against you, and you'll be like, it doesn't really matter to me too much, then you can get away without having a stop loss. But you need to have a spot in mind when this trade does not make sense anymore to hold, whether that's a monetary figure or whether that is a level on the chart. Like if we're holding sells and price is breaking, like dipped underneath and then done that and then really rocketing and breaking all these highs, doesn't make sense to hold that trade for a sell. And if you haven't got a stop loss and you've scaled in a little bit too much and the dollar figures up here are big, you won't want to close that. You'll want to hope that it does come back to an area that you can close, or you'll start scaling in more, hoping that the pullback will even it out somewhat. And it can just keep on going up and up and up. When gold is bullish, it's bullish as hell. If it's bearish, you will get deep corrections. So often you can escape trouble if you're buying. But if you're selling and you're on the wrong side, gold will take everything you have. And it's good to, like, for longevity in this, it's good to be precise and be able to manage risk. If you can manage risk, then the profits will come. But if sometimes those losses, you can have like winning months, like month after month after month of winning, and then it just takes one bad day to really wipe you out. And then you'll be thinking, why didn't I just accept a 2% loss or 5% loss? Why am I taking a 20% hit? Because 20% hit a loss is really like 30% you need to gain in profit to get back to even. It's just not worth it. It just slows you down as well.
I've closed.
It's showing because of the timing, it makes sense that this London low, now it's been taken, to have a pullback, but the momentum's still to the downside. But gold does do deep pullbacks if we're going down. I didn't take any. I didn't even entertain buys yet. Did you take it, Mo?
Yeah.
Very good, man.
Yeah, I took a buys.
Rule, what did you do?
I'm with you.
Oh, you're in as well. Where was the signal, guys? Come on.
Yeah, we are waiting for that 4-hour wick to break.
I just closed cable, so I'm gonna head to bed.
If you look at the 15-minute doji taken.
Awesome, Alan.
Yeah,
Congrats,
just
man.
Exit
You-
top of the range, took a couple of percent.
Yeah, you
Big
needed
time.
that.
Yeah,
You needed that confidence hit. That's good.
that's a good one.
Rule got
Alright,
out right on the
good one.
support as well. Good exit, Rule. What were you guys saying?
I got out as well, mate.
Yeah, good.
Double bottom, so
Yeah. See how these session points they're so powerful. And if we can read the session points with the time of session, like time in the market, and then using these session highs, lows, price action, the markets just goes from one point to another point.
About those GU buy,
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking we are right now creating liquidity at the upside area. Maybe from the higher time frame we are rejecting from the higher time frame. If you go to the daily, you will see prices rejecting from the higher time frame area.
Up here.
This is the order block. Yeah. This order block. Now on 4 hour, price also did the same thing. On 4 hour also we are at the
See on the 4 hour,
on the upper side.
I see this to at least, like, if we're doing liquidity, this is support. This is your confirmation of support if it closes like this. And if we're breaking above these wicks, we should push up into here to get closer to the open.
Mhm.
Which would make sense. And if
Yeah. So on the 1 hour, so we may come back to this area. That's I'm looking at. This area.
that was
Yeah.
like a a clean area on the, oh, it is on the 1 hour, plus your Asian session, London high, close to the London high. Where was that indicator? I'll put this on for us. So yeah, London high, more or less in that imbalance area.
Yeah.
Making sense for, like, this is the order block. This is the H4 candle. What, open for the liquidity candle? No, wait. That's the open. That's the open of the 4 hour candle. So this is all up here is wick. So this could be liquidity. Oh my god. Liquidity. Look at that. Then as soon as Alan closes, start getting a little bit extra.
Yeah, they hearing our stream right now.
They're hearing it, yeah.
Yeah, they're hearing our stream.
Yeah.
That
We've got two viewers on YouTube. One of them's the market maker. One's Jerome Powell. These guys are rinsing the markets. That was so good, man. Nice trade, nice ability to hold through all of this mess. And now this was the pullback, form of resistance, and then coming down. Yeah, but this, I don't trust that this could retest this low again, given the time.
Now to the moon.
Yeah. Hit this liquidity up here now. For those buys, this does the form, little support candle, little fake out, breaking this high, and then this could be the new step of bullish structure forming for NY to gain better sell side price points to then, depending if there's any reactive headlines, but then starting to roll over and then continuing that deeper pullback for the week. And this weekly candle could indeed then still close as a bearish candle, because in reality, this is the first time we're back into this order block. We're not expecting it to really just push up, given that we've got all of this pressure. This is a beautiful area as a release point to at least have a pullback. If we can close inside here, then yeah, it's only a matter of time before we're starting to hit these 1970s areas again. But that trade made a lot of sense. So got a lot of, made sense for the sell. The buy is shorter term, makes sense. Could be a longer term.
The buys are the cowboy entries.
Yeah, there wasn't much confirmation there. You had to go quick. I like that though. I like that idea for the buy there. But like when that's the same thing. Like I'm still thinking sells, even though it, up here near my entry where I got taken out, I didn't hold for the actual move. I was still trapped in that thinking sell trade. I was still thinking about the sell rather than thinking look for a buy. So I wasn't even ready for that one, gotta admit.
They could have warned us better. Could have given us a heads up.
I know. I was just
Because I wasn't thinking about a buy either. Because I was still in me short, trying to where to get out.
I was waiting for the signal.
Yeah.
No, Mohammed and I running some signal service, so we don't want to ruin their subscription.
Oh, okay.
Would it be nice to do a changeover? Get out, get in,
Yeah, play ping pong.
go up again. Yeah.
Where you sit in now, rule for the month?
Aydin, do you trade DJ or not?
Sometimes.
Mhm.
Oh, you're back to even for the month. Okay, cool. Oh, you got two unrealized on DAX, or is that the 2% on DAX? If you close it on 2%, then you're back to zero, are you? Or if you close, you're up 2%. Okay, okay. Oh, up to 2%. Awesome. Okay, so you're close to your monthly goal. Oh, and Danny's on as well. Good. What was happening on GJ? It's just dumping, hey? Oh, okay. I saw it was dumping after that clean candle up, push up, little support, close below support, refill this candle. It was kind of silly yesterday. There was I think it was, who was it? Aaron was asking about something I was talking about on the Tuesday, and I was like, yeah, you know, reactive headline, walking back, what happened here. So here was not going to change monetary policy in Japan, which led to just Japan selling off, and then comments came on for the finance minister saying no, it's going to come to an end soon, blah blah blah. So then it led to this now correcting that move, and then I was like, okay, when that headline came out, it was at 8:30 my time, so 8:30. No, it can't have been 8:30. It was up around here. Anyway, it was up around here when that was coming, and it was breaking this support, and this were monthly levels. And I was thinking, well, if we close under here, or maybe it was around here actually, it might have been breaking this support. And I was like, this zone is very easy to trade. I think I've even got the screenshot. On yeah, here it is. Yeah, so breaking the support. Such bad writing. But I was like, from here down to here. And that's 140 pips.
Man.
Awesome.
You see the time that I did that, 8:23.
Mm-hmm.
Based on the back of this headline, Japan Trade Minister saying near in a phase where monetary easing can be stopped, 8:13 GMT. And that was, they put into the thing, you know, news push, support broken, trade that area. And then last night, did indeed. Just didn't want anything closed back above that monthly level. What were you pointing out over here? Or this imbalance?
I think so. He is talking about that imbalance.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just got taken.
Also, Stefan looking for sells here.
This wick as well is pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's is that Japan Open? No, Japan Open 0-0. That's Japan Open, no top wick. These buyers are running now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It did some nice thing here.
Disconnected myself.
Came back to
There we
this.
go. Yeah, that's nice, huh? I really like that structure where it does and then breaking these wicks. That's really good. Grab liquidity. See what it does over here. If that pulls back and then leaving this high, oh, there's not enough range for it. But that's like if that was a bigger range, this would be a trade. But that's only 8 pips.
If you go to the 5 minute, yeah, I got the entry based upon 5 minute also here. FU candle.
Oh, sorry, I moved it. Go. Yeah.
Okay. So FU candle.
Yep.
Then we close doji here.
Yep.
And the doji low was taken out here.
Yep.
So entry here, keeping stop loss below here.
Yeah.
The second entry.
Yeah. Oh, you entered twice.
Yeah. Because the bottom one was a little bit risky, so I didn't go with the full. I go with the small risk, and I added another risk here.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, last 2 days, I mean the last 2 weeks I backtested this thing. The FU candle, then doji candle and doji low was taken out. So it's working quite nicely.
Yeah, it's been good.
Above 1910, it will fly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can look for that first target around that liquidity area.
Up here, yeah. Where was that other arrows gone that I had? The other path? Must have deleted it. Yeah, it's gone.
If price able to break these highs now, that will be easier to hold the position,
Mm-hmm.
because here this will be like a temporary break of structure.
Yeah. Yeah, agreed. Because you've got that imbalance left behind as well, so it can end these liquidity candles, and they haven't done a clean retest.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's not breaking that structure just yet, we could get those retests.
Yeah. But if it's just pushing, that's even better.
Yeah,
I don't have to worry about that.
less stress there. Good close.
Just push.
Yeah.
Don't hold back, just push.
I have seen before when you have a liquidity candle, FU candle, and then again when you see a doji candle, you can again give a chance with that doji for push up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the liquidity's underneath that.
Yeah.
Nice one, nice one.
It's just such a tiny little range. I wanted to I wanted to join, but not with 8 pips. Especially when my spread was jumping around between 2 pips. Now it's like 0.8. So London low is now, oops.
I think that second viewer is you are a broker. He's watching you.
Whenever I see a zero spread before NY open over here, then price drops and again it goes up.
Okay.
Yeah. I've seen this 6-7 times.
How much risk what was your, what price did you get in?
Let me check 1 second.
Me was the second bullish 1 minute.
1906, 1907, first entry.
Yeah.
Stop loss?
Confirmation of that.
Yeah, yeah, just below that candle low.
It's like 7 pips.
Yeah, and the second entry was here.
And where was stop for that one?
First stop, 1 second. It's around, yeah, below here. Here.
Oof. That's amazing. First one nearly 6-1. And another one nearly 4-1.
I think I can close the worst position, this one here, and let's see how the price react to that area.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I can decide if price easily just breaking that area, then I can hold this.
Mm-hmm.
That's bottom one.
Yeah, that was really nice. These are great trades. Oops. right back. Just gonna put my headphones down. Hold on.
Mohammed, I think you are on mute. We cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Are you saying something about that area?
Yeah. Did you this highs broke?
Yeah, I think so. It broke that.
Yeah. And take liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
Up.
I think this is a pre-NY pullback for to get a better price for the NY people.
Yeah.
To take a sell again.
What was that?
This is a pre-NY pullback to get a better price for the NY people.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree.
Because now at the bottom we have created enough liquidity here for this wick also and this side also. So if the price again going to come back, this is not going to hold this area. Price can either just push down.
Yeah.
GU got reversed from the Asian highs. He just kind of got the liquidity from the upside, and now we.
Because we took out these highs, makes sense for pullback. Yeah, imbalance reaction. German 40. So that's what I love about German 40. It's just like it's so apart from these like crazy wicks over here, but generally when it trends, it just runs with like it's just not as stressful. When it's going, it's going. Either side as well. Like you do get a little bit of fluff around around the open, but then once that manipulation dies out pretty quickly, and then it's just trend.
Mm-hmm.
Did you close that smaller position?
Yeah, I close. I didn't. Mohammed told me about this area. So
There's that signal again.
yeah.
Now I secured more than 50. I think it will go up.
Yeah, I think so. It is just coming back to this area to again push to the upside.
Yeah, if it forms a support around here, a little support, little fake out, and then that could push back up. It is a little rangy though. It is a little bit rangy, like equal sides. So maybe it won't do something like that. Maybe what it will do is actually just range.
If you look at the 50-minute now, it's kind of price is close back in the range here.
Yeah.
This range. So it makes sense to price retest that zone, hold this zone, then start pushing to the upside. And even based upon the it should not leave any imbalance in this area. So it just came all the way to the downside. So
yeah, I think this could just be retesting this wick.
Yeah, this wick also, or this remaining imbalance here.
Yeah.
because we don't have any imbalance remaining at the bottom right now. That's the area, the remaining imbalance. This.
If I saw this close like it is, a weak bullish candle, another bearish candle, and then something leaving 1908.6 to go up, I would consider that. But at the moment, I reckon this is just doing equal size ranges. This is, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. This is where I'd like to see a little bullish candle. There's our lava. I wonder if I can find a lava line.
But if you look at 30 minutes, doji taken.
Up the top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about the doji. Our main focus should be price reaching to this area.
Okay.
Breaking of this back up, I think I'll give it a go.
Let's see.
A retest of 5-minute FU. If it will break that FU low, then it is difficult.
So I'm thinking, I want to see a little bit more lower. I'm thinking something like that. Not entering yet though, it needs to come down, touch a circle, and then above here.
Right, now is the time to push.
Yes, sir.
5-minute looks like doji. Yeah, flip. Close is strong.
close. I'm trying to fix this. Not fix this thing. Trying to resize. Crop. Where's crop? Okay, this took me in.
Okay, push now. We broke the previous 5-minute high. Nice,
Oi.
nice, good.
No,
Nice
no
push.
drawdown. Not a single second.
What a push.
Push. Yeah, it was just waiting for the hidden to join.
Yeah.
I moved my stop loss to break even.
Liquidity hunt. Liquidity hunters.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take 50 here because it's moving so quick. Sometimes that quick move can be the fake move. But that's
above
up
19
over
above
one.
1910 it will go to 1915.
Yeah, that was 2-1.
Come on.
2-1 in how long did that take? Entered
10 second. 10 second.
yeah, 15 seconds.
Come on. Push.
Nice,
Come on.
nice.
Push.
Push.
Oh shit.
Too much excitement.
yeah, we got too excited.
Calm down.
Come on.
This is this is good, but only bad thing is this big FVG. Previous
Yeah.
1 minute candle is good, but FVG is not good.
Yeah, but it's already done. It's already filled some of these little imbalances.
Hmm.
I don't want it to pull back now to the entry. I was trying to work on this lava river in the background. I want to somehow. Oh my god.
Come on, close above 1910. From there, where is 50 pips? 50 pips.
This will be annoying if it comes back down now. Just want this to take out this low of this doji,
Yeah.
and then just push up like this. Just be a liquidity grab candle.
Mama, talk to your market maker.
Duck.
Who else is in this? You in there as well, Eddie?
No,
Yeah,
I'm waiting still.
Okay. It's just you, Akshay, Muhammad, me, and
I am
and
also
Nel.
in.
Yeah.
I was going to say, I don't like that 1 minute. See, that's a stopping volume candle. This candle here, that wick, has got more volume than this one and this one in tick volume.
Because it's when it moves fast like that, especially this time, I'll secure.
If
But-
anything, I mean, that could be that'd be a short for me.
Okay, but what this also can mean is it's thinning the orders up there. So it'll be triggering these buy orders, but this could be a change. Like, it's not a change of structure, but what it is it's creating a new high, and it'll trigger buys in immediately, and then what it'll do,
Breakout traders, yeah.
it'll put a little bit of stress, and people will close immediately. But all it's doing is pulling back, and the bulls are going to step in to do a wick fill.
New 15-minute started.
So sometimes that candle, in context, can mean different things.
Oh, 30-minute candle closed. Beautiful.
5 minutes. That looks nice for wick fill, yeah.
Yeah, no time to waste. Now it's just push to the upside.
Yeah,
You
right.
already got enough liquidity.
Exactly. Leaving this wick again means it's going to come all the way down. So at that point, that would be like where I move to break even. Because if it's leaving this here again, it's going to do a deeper retracement.
Yeah. Come on, push, 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 push.
Just drive up and just be continuous. Be nice and steady for us. No stress. Don't play any games. Just push. Just give us an easy one.
I will close my one position over here if price will go there, because NY open is very near and it can do some pullback.
Yeah, I want to see that NY pullback, NY open here against push to the downside.
Yeah, or at least let COMEX open be the volume that gets the highest entry, and like the COMEX open to more or less be close to the high of the New York session. If this is breaking this low, this candle here now, that trade is done. Because this would just be like a little tiny range and little tiny fake out.
One push, please. I will close my one up position. Come on, come on. Push, 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 push.
Nice.
Come on.
Keep going,
Push.
mate. Let's go. Keep
Push.
talking. Keep talking to it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Come
nice.
on.
Come on,
All
baby.
right.
Come on. Come on. Push.
You already
Push.
got the early buyers FOMO entry here. So they already
Come
closed
on.
their position here. So now it's time to push.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. 5-minute candle. Yeah. Looking good. Closing above 1910. Close above 1910. Come on.
2 minutes for the close.
Have the 30 close.
Oh no. 30 close. Good.
30
Bullish.
close good, yeah.
Mm.
So this is the triangle. Triangle's pretty much done now.
Last 5-minute candle.
See if it can blast.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
All right, last 1 minute.
Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push. 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 Push.
First
30
minute.
seconds left.
First minute gave that pullback, and then it's just been push,
Yeah.
push, push.
Push. Push. Push.
Close, baby. Come on.
Break that high. Come on, break that high.
Oh.
Come on. Push. Push. I closed my one position here. Now.
Yeah, that's a good spot for it. Now it's just gonna boom.
Yeah. Null close his position. One position.
And
so
now it
earlier
will.
it-
Yeah, now I can run.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, look at that 5-minute close.
Yeah.
Close at above 1910. Come on. Push. Push.
It's mandatory now to hit the Asian high. Just a little pullback first minute.
Come
Come
on.
on, flip. Break that high. Don't pull back now. Just push.
Easy
Push.
manual
Push.
here.
I think he's gone.
Yeah.
Oh no, Manny's still. Is that? Yeah, no, they're still here. 2 Mannys. EP Manny and Manny.
Oh, Emmanuel is muted. I think he went for walk with Gigi,
Walk out.
his dog.
Oh,
All right.
Nice.
Nice.
Come on. I am now bringing my stop loss break even to
Yeah,
a little bit more.
my.
Profits. Okay.
That was good.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
good.
Over here.
Yeah. Yeah, makes sense.
Nice.
Just push.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Yes.
Come
Yeah,
on.
finally.
All right.
Finally.
I'm closing my 50% bottom one.
Keep it
Now
down.
it can do whatever it wants.
Yeah, come
Yeah.
on. Just a little bit more.
Push. Clean range. Now it is in clean range. Come on.
No,
come on.
I closed the 50% at that liquidity area.
Yeah.
Come on. Push. Come on.
Now done.
Yeah.
First 2 minute of 5 minute candle is bullish. Okay.
That line is where basically I closed.
Nice one.
Now my profit is in 1910 area.
Mm-hmm.
1910 over here.
Oh yeah, good one.
Come on. Push.
It could fly above here.
Yeah.
This is the liquidity grab. And it's pulled back, grab more liquidity. And then it could just
1915.
fly. Yeah.
But NY open off. Come on. No. Oh.
So was it a boy or girl with all that pushing?
It's blue for boy.
You took the words right out of my mouth, Eddie. I unmuted myself before to say that you guys sound like you're having babies.
I wasn't pushing. They were.
Come on. Okay. This is last 2 minutes of this 5 minute candle. Don't
Right,
do
taken
retest of 1910 area again, because this is breakout of this structure. This
Well, that's the Asian high there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. I'm watching my terminal. It is Asian high. Yeah, really.
That's gold. Haydos.
Push.
Oh,
Push.
that's fine.
Come on, push.
Now here is the problem. If it breaking the high here,
Don't talk
then-
about
then again start pushing to the downside. We are coming to the downside area.
again 1910 area retest. Yeah.
I'm done on that trade. I'm just enjoying it now.
This one was my I increased my lot size in this trade.
Oh, did you? Beautiful. To what?
Yeah.
0.03?
Yeah.
Nice.
Gives you more
nice.
options to close partials.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True, man.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice closing on that 1 minute.
Risky of no top wick because it's
It's about to say that.
yeah, it could be reacting off this little area.
And there is no lower wick imbalance on 1 minute over here.
It's all been clean up there. Yeah.
And after that, this doji, this is dangerous. After doji imbalance candle, don't do any retest to 1910 area. Just blast.
Like I'm closing
on.
75%. I don't like the area right now.
It's getting close to that time. We're gonna
Yeah.
see a new
New
batch
5 minute started.
of manipulation coming in soon. New batches of like pullbacks, highs getting taken, just getting a
Yeah,
little bit
it's-
jumpy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Push.
Makes sense to just keep on
Push.
going up. Makes a lot of sense. now we're sort of in this clean range. I just don't want to see deep pullbacks. But if it does give deep pullbacks of the incoming New York volume, then actually I don't want to take a buy again with a deep pullback because I'm still holding to my selling mindset. But I'm going to plan another. I'm planning the next move. Yeah.
I closed my trade.
Took the high again.
Now it will go up 19.15.
This pullback could be. This is secondary phase now that it's doing. So whether it's just going to be sideways or it's just going to be a pullback, we don't really have any imbalances here. We don't really have any liquidity grabs. Got a little doji here. So whether it just gives you that pull back to here, form support, and then push up again, or does it do a liquidity grab to then drive up? But you know, I'm done with that one. I was really happy with that as the move.
You remember one day we were trading on 15-minute price was bullish and suddenly this candle formed and it was break-even trade.
Sorry, I was rubbing things out.
Yeah, a few days back.
Right. Oh yeah, where it pushed
Same
down
thing
up.
happened.
Yeah, I remember that. So like that was just as I jumped into my meeting, then saw price on the side shoot down like 18 pips in profit, and it was like sitting around 4. It was just so quick, maybe it was 16 pips, but closed some, and then then it just pulled back basically, took out the runner, but then it gave like a higher entry to then take a sell. That could be something similar. Anyway, I'm gonna
when there is like a spread is so on my IC market a spread was 0 in this area, 0 to 1, and your spread was 20.
Yeah.
Whenever this happens before NY open time, that means price will drop, it will grab liquidity, and after that it will go up. This is 6th time I saw this trade, and my entry was over here, and this one was 5-minute FU candle. I added my position just over here, and when I added my position over here, all my stop loss was over here.
Nice. What's Roblox? I'm not sure. Someone, Ron, are you in Roblox? I'm not sure what Roblox is.
Mohammed, you can call your market maker. We are done with our entries, so you can do whatever you want.
I can,
Now tell him to dump it.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get some lunch, and then I'll see you guys a bit later. I'm gonna end this up now.
Yeah.
Cool. Alrighty. Thanks everyone. Thanks for YouTube audience.
Thank you.
So
Thank you very
work,
much,
guys.
Hayden.
Good work.
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys
Thanks
soon.
for the commentary, guys.